Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got this SG1 back here, and I cleaned it up good, but I want to do something I haven't ever tried. I'm going to try to paint red onto this deluxe symbol there on this chrome piece. It was pretty much gone when I got the machine, and now I've actually pre-cleaned this and cleaned inside the grooves real good and got everything out, and so it's degreased, ready to paint. So this is what I'm going to try to do, is paint this sucker. And I've never really done this. I don't know if maybe I have, I don't know. So I got some Testors paint here, and I'm going to try to fill it in and then wipe it off. This paint is a little bit old. Seems a little diluted, but that might be alright, because I might not want it as thick as Testors usually is. So I'm just going to try to drop straight down inside this, and see if I can wipe this out. See if I can get this trick to work. So that's in there. Let's see if this works. No, not too bad. No, that's not too bad. Well, that might work for a first attempt. Wow. It's probably not as red as I thought it might be, but it definitely looks nice. Alright. I'm going to say success. Light in there. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.